Hey guys, back to another video. So I haven't charged my laptop yet. Of course I haven't because I'm lazy. I'm Miss Lazy Bones. But I am eating, so. Yeah. And I do have background music in my TV. Over there. I think you guys can see it. Oh, there's my curtain. Not the TV. See over there? That's Pat and Jen. The other people that I watch. I know all the time, so yeah. It's pretty weird. You guys are so close to me. But so, yeah. It's fine though. So, back to what I was gonna be saying. So, sorry that you're so close to me. You should not be doing that. Maybe we'll do some video. I don't know yet. You gotta get the ingredients. Smash that like button if you want to see a slime video. Go to my channel. You know what it is. Comment. Be the first one to comment, and you might get something. You might get like something like free Minecraft or Robux or something like that. So yeah. See ya. Bye.